Hello, a few months ago I crashed my plane and completely destroyed it. But why did it crash? Well, the wing just snapped, as you can see. It just snapped in half and the plane fell down nose first and it was destroyed. But the motor is still intact and everything is repairable. It's just foam board, so the wing just snapped in half and the plane fell down like a brick and it was really scary. I had the Mobius recording on this side, but it's also broken. That's why I ordered a run cam to put on my planes. And this is the nose. As you can see, it's just snapped off because it fell nose first into the ground. And now I'm going to repair it. So I repaired everything and the plane is now ready to fly. The nose is new and I got another motor because this one is a lot smaller and not as heavy as this motor. So I have a lot less chance of the wings breaking, but I made them a lot stronger with packing tape and some wood. So I think they will hold now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Give it a like and happy flying.